René, thanks very much for joining us. It would be good to get your perspective, I guess, on the logistics side. What are you seeing in terms of demand, I guess, and the outlook for 2023?
I think if you look for the demand for logistics real estate in the Netherlands, that's still solid. The drivers, the fundamentals are certainly there. There's a good chance that with the recession and with the high inflation impacting consumer expenditures, the take-up will slow down a little bit, but the basic is still solid. What we also see, which makes logistics real estate an interesting market in the Netherlands, is supply is difficult. The number of new green industrial areas dedicated for logistics real estate is rather limited, so the pipeline of new opportunities is drying up. We have also a discussion in the Netherlands about nitrogen, which will influence the building permit procedures. So I would say demand strong, a little bit less perhaps than during COVID-19, because then went e-commerce through the roof. Supply limited. So overall, still an interesting market.
From that point of view, René, do you see that decoupling from the economy to a certain degree, where we're heading towards let's say, even if it's not a recession, certainly a subdued economic environment going forward? And yet logistics doesn't seem to be impacted by that. Certainly in terms of demand, we may see something from the capital market side.
And sometimes that relationship is sometimes double, because one of the things we see now that due to the recession and less consumer expenditures, all the warehouses are so full that brand owners and manufacturers have to lease additional buildings because they don't sell too much. It's not without reason that, for example, Amazon in the US is really substantially reducing its expansion program. And Amazon is in the US far more important as a player than Amazon in Europe, but it gives a good indication. So one of the elements we see is that, yes, during a recession, people will probably not buy as much new laptops and smartphones or cars even as you did in a very positive environment. But on the other hand, people keep on using food. People need washing material to do the laundry. So still a lot of stuff which is in warehouses is still there. But at the end of the day, if there is a strong recession, I think for the Netherlands, we talk about a mild recession. If there is a strong recession, one way or another, it will have its impact on economic activity. And if there is a negative impact on economic activity, it will also have an impact on logistics real estate demand.
It's going to be interesting to see how that develops for certain. Thanks very much for joining us, René.
Okay, my pleasure.